Chemical Kinetics.
Chapter 13.
This chapter covers Unit 5, Sections 5.1 through 5.11 in the AP curriculum. Note, questions on Arrhenius equation and reaction intermediates will not show up on AP exams. For more clarification, talk to your instructor. In this chapter, we introduce rates of chemical reaction.
Rate is related to time. Hence, chemical kinetics introduces the relationship between reaction rate and time.
This is a lengthy chapter that involves calculations.
In this chapter we introduce rate equation, the rate constant, that is, lowercase k, rate expressions, and order of the reaction, involving 1, 2, and 3 reactants.
Integrated rate laws for first-order reactions, zero-order reactions, and second-order reactions.
The Arrhenius equation, the activation energy, and examples involving the activation energy.
Catalysis.
Molecularity and reaction mechanisms.
In the final part of this chapter, we introduce the chemical equilibrium and its relationship to the rates of reaction.
In this chapter, a new concept, called work out examples on all important topics, is offered. We recommend you work out these examples simultaneously on paper. This will be just like your personal tutor, guiding you through these important topics.
Finally, practice the interactive questions at the end of the chapter before diving into homework questions.